Hello, so this video is going to help you write in or copy and paste in text for your ePortfolio because there's some tips and tricks to doing this and I'm going to try to share them with you. Remember the ePortfolio assignment asks that you have a table of contents. My suggestion for that is that you just write it in as the very first thing in your ePortfolio. So you want to hit plus. I'll try it again, plus text. H1 is header 1, H2 is header 2. That's levels of headers. So for table of contents, you probably want a table 1 or header 1. And then you can put text and, your first 3 sections. So cover, reflection letter, artifacts. Okay, so look what happened there. I hit return and it jumped to a whole new section. It's like, wait a minute, I want this to kind of look more like a list. And therefore I'm going to make this a list and it'll allow me to kind of keep everything in the same space. Something like that. So whatever you decide your table of contents is going to be. So SLO, student learning outcomes and artifacts. That's what I'm working with that. I can edit this if I decide to do something different. Then the cover reflection letter is first. So again, I'm going to add text, header 1, whatever you're being asked to call it. Now, here's the tricky part, and I want to show you. You probably wrote your cover reflection letter in some other document. And if you're like I am, you like to bulletize. So I'm going to copy and paste this text here over because with this example, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see it. With this example, we'll be able to talk about a bunch of things that happen when you move text into Spark. So notice that I've got multiple paragraphs. I also have bullet points in a bulleted list, and then I have links. We can do all of this in Spark, but what will happen is if I copy all of this here, so I'm hitting copy, Control or Command C, or if you right click, hit copy, and I paste it into Spark, it's not going to paste over pretty, but we got to get it over there. So I just pasted it all in. And notice it chopped everything up. And that's okay. I'm like, okay, I can do this. So what I probably would do is maybe have 2 windows. So let's see what happens. I'm going to pull this out. And I'm going to kind of shrink it down because I now want to look at the same time. So this is what I'm trying to get it to look like. And I'm going to pull out my Spark editing and shrink it down so I can kind of look at them at the same time. Okay, so there's my first paragraph, or it was a sentence. Yep, that's fine. There's my second paragraph. It starts. Wait a minute. Now I had a link here, and this link got lost. I can fix that. So I'm going to go click out. Oh, the link is a deep It's a deep link into this document, so that's fine. Actually, no. Let's not confuse y'all. I lost my page in here now. There we go. Haha. Let's pretend that the link just goes to the Google homepage. At this point, you just want to know how to make a link. Okay, so I grab the URL. I come over here. I click into the text that I want to add. And what was it I was trying to link? My reflective comments. Okay. So I was trying to make that text there a link. Notice when I highlight it, I now get the editing. And one of these little editing things looks like a chain or a link. That's a link. I paste in that URL and voila, that text is now hyperlinked. Okay, so I fixed that. Now, the 4 questions here, I wanted those as bullets. And you already saw how we did that. So I'm going to come here. I'm going to make it a bullet. I'm going to edit. I'm going to try to. There we go. And I'm now going to copy, delete that, come back up here, hit return. So I basically have to copy and paste or cut and paste and put these in the same. So now I've got the bullets. Then I have the next, next line here. Got that. And then I have, it's not bullets this time, it's a numbered list. Again, Spark allows me to do a numbered list as well. Voila, there's my numbered list. And then there's my final paragraph. And the only last thing with the final paragraph is another, Prezi presentation. That I know will definitely go out. So I'm going to grab that URL for the Prezi presentation. Again, highlight the word, click the link icon, hit save. Yay. Okay, so now I have copied over and re-edited to match my format of my draft. So let's go ahead. We're going to put this back up so we see the whole thing. Let's go ahead and hit share. We're going to update that link, and let's go look and see what this looks like on the published link. And we have to give it a few seconds. Okay, so that means it's published. So I'm here. Right now that's not there. I'm going to hit refresh. And there we go. There's that table of contents, and there's the cover reflection letter, and there's that link, our bullets, and there's the link again. Yay! So that was the formatting for the text. Hopefully that will help you, understand your options for adding text to Spark and some of the reformatting you'll have to do when you copy and paste work over.